So first things first, I'm just gonna check the template, make sure everything's still good, which it should be.
I don't think my head's gone.
Hopefully not. Yeah, that's perfect. So style-wise, what sort of style are you thinking of going for today?
So it's going to be shorter. So obviously the last system was quite long.
Yeah.
So I want it
Did you
short.
have it quick?
Yeah, I've actually got a picture.
Yeah, that'll be good.
I'm sad, you see.
That's fine, the pictures are good.
Yeah. I just wouldn't mind it like shorter.
Bit
like that.
shorter, coming up off your face a bit more.
Yeah.
So you can sweep it across or sort of bring it back.
Yeah.
Or sort of got a bit more.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, that's fine. So the first thing that I'm going to do is do your template, shave the shape back in. So I'm just going to do a guideline to start with. A hot summer.
Yeah, it's done really well. I think I put it to the test to be quite fair.
That's good. At least you know what you get out of the system then, isn't it?
Yeah.
And for it to last 10 months with your job and that as well, it's...
Oh no,
it's good.
Kind of complain at all. Again, with the stress of being under a hat, 90% of the time, it worked absolutely fine.
That's good. So I'm just going to put up a mask on your head now.
Yeah.
And this will just help extract any excess oils left on your scalp. And then I'll just pop out and trim the rest of the lace off of your hair system. Again, this just helps reduce any excess oils and keeps that bond nice and strong. Yeah, it is a bit tricky if you're not used to, like, obviously I'm used to it by doing makeup and that in the mirror and hair and that. I always talk through the mirrors and that as well.
Yeah.
Everything you need to make any occasion special with a range of extra special Aberdeen Angus steaks on rollback, including
And head forward for me. Perfect.
and sirloin was £5, now £4. Bring it home. Asda, save money, live better. Selected stores subject to availability. From 255 grams, sirloin 227 grams.
I'm Robbie, site manager. Everyone here knows me. But when they ask me, how was your weekend?
So I've just sectioned the hair, really nice small sections, and we're going to use a cutthroat razor just to blend in the hair into his own hair, and it will give a really nice blend.
Yeah, it seems like a regular.
Right, so we're on the last section now, so we're just going to trim up the front of the hair system. So I'll just roughly try it at the moment, and then we can see how it's going to fall.
It looks, well, yeah, it looks good.
You're copying the swoosh look.
I'm the swoosh look. I'm back.
Hello guys, right, welcome to the Beast, and here is...
Not the beast.
Not the Beast. Yeah, let me just park this up. Let me just steady this up there, yeah, right. Swoosh look.
Swoosh.
It's catching on. Right, okay, so seriously, how are you feeling now?
Fuck, £1,000,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, feels so good to have it back on. So
Right.
good.
It looks really good.
Yeah, it does look good. Yeah, it does look good. Doing a great
And you
job.
and did you have your hair cut before you came in, or did you try and grow it out for the fitting?
Try and grow it out.
Well, your hair it never grows long, did it, for the first fitting?
No.
So give us a spin round on the chair now.
Oh, watch that. Come on. Small feet, tiny feet.
That's damn good, yeah.
That's good.
So when you get back, are you going to go to Colin, or do you think you're going to be able to do this yourself?
I reckon I'll probably go to Colin
Yeah.
for the first two again, just
Yeah.
to get my confidence back in getting it done. Then
That makes sense.
go back at it myself, I think.
And when's the next time you're wear? Do you always, with your military work, do you always wear hats?
So not now. So that's stopped now. I'm desk bound now. So
Oh, really?
yeah, yeah.
Is that
time?
Oh, it's not like a promotion or anything.
No, well, sort of.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, so I'm going into a teaching post. Let's say, but no more bear skins for me.
What, forever?
Yeah, for a long time now. So I know this is going to survive a lot longer than it.
Yeah, but 9 months is pretty damn good, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah, great. It's good,
Yes.
but it was a hot summer, so.
That means you won't be giving me any money for a year or so.
Sorry.
Anyway, dude, thanks very
Hey, man,
much.
good to see you, man.
No
Great.
worries. Take care, buddy.